Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to Lake Breeze Way, 5 premium building lots near Canandaigua Lake.
Imagine building your dream home. So let's take a tour. Lake Breeze Way offers 4 estate-size, approximately 1-acre lots with wooded views of mature trees, plus a premium 6.5-acre building lot with beautiful Canandaigua Lake views.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen, amazing 1-floor living. The possibilities are endless.
Work with us in building your new dream home and receive a free appliance of your choice up to $1,000. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine building and living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Lake Breeze Way in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!